Many small creators, small YouTubers, are struggling even after getting monetization by struggling about how to apply for it, right? So that's why in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for monetization after reaching on 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 time watched hours, because we already achieved them. Let us now show you how you can apply for monetization so that you can start earn money from YouTube, right? So to ensure that you are able to get monetization here, you should get this message: you have unlocked a new way to earn. You can now earn through ads on your videos and more. So after getting this message, to mean that you fulfill all requirements needed to be a YouTube partner program. So after being able to apply for monetization, you should follow the following steps. I'm going to show you how you can do it. But if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe it, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that also they can learn with us in GWOIST Academy. But also, please remember to open a bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you will get a notification. So without spend more time, let's get started. Yes, to apply for monetization, we need to come and click on this icon, get started, right? You see here, this one, you click on it, then you wait a little bit. Here there is two options. You are a YouTube partner. What you are using, you can use membership or super. Let us start by this one, first one, for membership, where we can start to earn for our videos. Here we are now able to gain money from this membership for our shorts. Here, as you see, we can turn on also for ads. Here also we can turn on. You see there is different options here. Brand connect. Also we can start by clicking here on get started. So let us start here by shorts. Here for shorts feeds ad. What you need to do is to come and click on this turn on, right? Then you click on it, we accept by clicking here, then we click accept here. You see, it's just simple. Then here, as you see, you can see our analytics for our shorts. But because we are just opening it just now, we can't see anything. We are still on 0, right? But once we develop, since we already turned it on, we are going now to develop and gaining money from these shorts, from this tool, right? So here we can also come here on the content. This is our general how our shorts are improving our channel, right? You can see for views, around 4,000 views are from shorts. You see here for engaged 1K, likes 60, you see, and 6 subscribers from shorts. Then we can also come back here on earn. Now short feeds are already now opened, right? As you see here, I'll already turn it on. Now here, to mean that you can also open this one for which page ads. Also click on it, turn on. Also we accept and click next. Here accept and next. Please, you can't earn any money without open these tools. Show me lol and add during my live stream. We click on next. Here all my existing videos. Monetization here, you see, please pay attention here. Do you see? Monetize your existing videos. We are going to monetize our videos. And please here, which video do you want to monetize? which videos do you want to monetize. You can select whenever you want to monetize some videos and reject other videos, right? But make sure that you select all of my existing videos so that you can get money from all videos you upload, right? I will choose here. Once you click on I will choose, it means that you will choose some videos to monetize for and others will reject them. But for us, we should click all videos so that you can earn a lot of money from our videos. Yes, then you reach here. As you see, you are earning from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page, right? To mean that on our videos. Visit YouTube Analytics to view your estimated watch page and revenue. Your YouTube Premium review can also be viewed in YouTube Analytics. You see, now you can click here to see our analytics. But here also see here ad categories. There are two categories blocked. It's all about alcohol and gambling. To mean that those contents are not allowed here, right? So as you see, we already finished to monetize our videos and also our shorts here. Yes. Now to check whether are really monetized, let us come on our real dashboard here. Then as you see, we already now have icon here showing our current estimated revenue. As they tell us there, here you can also check our current estimated revenue. As you see is 0 now because we are no longer start to earn any money because it's once we are opening them, right? So here let us check for contents to see whether our videos are monetized. You see, yes, wow, for monetization our all videos are monetized because you see monetization is on here. This video is being monetized. You see, once I mouse over on this icon, you see that this video is being monetized. Yes, now to check whether all videos are monetized, you can also use this arrow to check other videos. You see all videos are monetized. Now everything is good now. Yeah, all is good. You see, now we can now check for short videos. Let us check for short videos here. Wow, also our short videos are already monetized here. You see, yeah, this video is being monetized. To mean that we already monetized our full videos as well as short videos, right? Yes, now here I want to show you this thing. Here our focus was about higher on watch page ads, to mean for full videos, and short feeds ads, right, for short videos. But also there are other features here. This is what showing us our current money. You see still 0. What I want to show you is this one here. There is another tool or feature you can get money on live stream. You can do it by just click on get started, but I will show you how you can do it. Also shopping, also other feature, also for brand contents, right? These are other features you can use it to earn money, but I will show you step how you can do it. Because here, please, whenever you are dealing with monetization, pay attention, because you can do any mistake and your channel can be rejected to earn any money or be monetized, right? So by the ending this lesson, let me remind you what we focused on in this lesson. Remember, I showed you first of all and congratulate you about our achievement by achieving 4,000 time watched hours and more than 1,000 subscribers, right? I showed you how you can monetize your videos step by step, which is called the watch page ads, and how you can monetize your short videos, which is called short feed ads, right? So let us stop by here. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section and we can help you. And please, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video and share it to your colleagues so that also they can join our ICT Academy and learn with us how to grow our YouTube channels, how to improve our digital skills, and so on and so forth. And please remember to open the bell so that whenever we upload any video, you will get a notification, right? And in addition, please keep collaboration with others, because on YouTube the hint to increase your channel or develop your channel on YouTube is just consistent. First of all, consistent. Whenever you upload any video, even though you get 0 view, but please keep consistent, never give up. And also try to collaborate with others so that you can grow with others, right? So thank you, see you in next lesson.